evening. Photoshop for design. Jumpstart your projects. While creating a document in Photoshop, instead of being with a blank canvas, you can choose from a wide variety of templates from Adobe Stock. Templates include stock assets and illustrations that you can build on to complete your project. In addition to templates, you can also create a document by selecting one of the numerous presents available in the Photoshop or create your custom size. You can also save your own presets for reuse. Web screen and app design powered by Adobe Creative Sync technology. Creative Cloud libraries make your favorite assets available to you anywhere, anytime, and on any device. Share and collaborate on libraries with anyone who has a Creative Cloud account. While adding collaborators to a library, choose what levels of permissions you want to give them. You can also create libraries that others can follow to receive updates to them. SVQ fonts. Photoshop supports SVG fonts including emoji fonts. You can composite several emoji SVG font characters to create new glyphs. For example, you can create the flags of countries or change the skin color of single person default characters. Work with Adobe Experience Design CC. Bring your Photoshop CC assets directly into Adobe XD, the new all-in-one tool for designing and prototyping user experiences for websites and mobile apps. Ideal for a responsive and multi-screen design, Artboards lets you create multiple layouts in different sizes. Lay them out within a single document and see them all at once. You can export artboards individually or several at a time. You can now duplicate a layer or layer group into other artboards. Quickly change artboard backgrounds and view artboard with transparent backgrounds. New export options. Export artboards, layers, layer groups, or Photoshop documents as JPEG, CIF. Quick export commands to generate assets in commonly used images assets with a single click. Embedded color profiles into PNG or JPG files. Customize all export settings per your requirements in preference. Selection and masking space. Creating accurate selections and masks in Photoshop is now quicker and easier than ever before. A dedicated new workshop now helps you make precise selections and masks. You can tool like Refine Edge Brush to cleanly separate foreground and background elements and do much more. Take the guesswork out of in identifying certain fonts and let Photoshop CC do the hard work for you. Thanks to the magic of intelligent imaging analysis using just a picture of a Latin font, Photoshop CC can use machine learning to detect which font it is to licensed font on your computer or on Typekit, suggesting similar fonts. Adobe Stock integration. While working with assets on the Adobe Stock websites, you can now open your chosen asset in Photoshop from directly within the website. You can also add watermark previews or licensed stock images to any of your libraries. Then in Photoshop, you can use the stock images in your documents as library linked assets. The new filtered search of the Adobe Stock site and your library assets mark finding the assets you need a breeze. Also, licensed Adobe Stock assets are badged for easy identification. Video assets now have linked previews. Photoshop everywhere. Mobile apps like Photoshop Mix, Photoshop Sketch, Adobe Capture CC extend the power of your Photoshop to your device so you can create powerful designs at your desk or on the go. Try something new. For example, you can capture CC on your mobile device to turn any image into a pattern. Serve it to a Creative Cloud library and then use it a pattern or pattern fill in the Photoshop projects. Photoshop CC now opens documents faster and delivers great responsiveness. Contact Aware Fill is now up to 3x faster with even better results. The font menu loads up the list of fonts up to 4x faster. Multiple layer style. Easy add to 10 instances of select layer style including drop shadow, gradient overlay, color overlay, inner shadow and stroke to a layer or layer group and will edit any style at any time. No more recurring effects or stacking in different layer groups. Work with glyphs. Use the new glyphs panel to work efficiently with glyphs. Browse all the available glyphs in a font to view alternates for currently selected glyphs. Access commonly used glyphs. See and insert your recently used glyphs and sort glyphs for faster browsing. Content-aware crop. Photoshop CC now uses content-aware technology to intelligently fill the gaps when you use the crop tools for rotating or straightening an image or expanding your canvas beyond the image original size. Find font faster. Quickly find the font your need by starring individual fonts as favorite. Narrow down your search by filtering fonts by classification like serif or sans serif or visual similarity. Search among fonts installed on your computers or synchronize fonts from Typekit. Import and export SVG files. Open and place native SVG files which can rescale for any size device or any resolution in your Photoshop designs. Just double click the object to edit in Adobe Illustrator. Export SVG image asset using the new export experiences. Device preview. Get real-time previews of your design on multiple iOS devices with the new device preview features and the Adobe Preview CC mobile app. For the document with artboard, device preview show you the correct artboard by matching the size and position of the artboard with that of the connected device. Thank you.